In this video, I simply want to show you what to do in case you get this message on your PS5. Okay, your PS5 wasn't turned off properly before unplugging the AC power cord, select power, and then turn off PS5 and other stuff. This simply means that your PS5 experienced a drop of power. Could be intentional or unintentional. Maybe your electrical grid had like a second of power outage. And when this happens, usually you'll get this message. So take your controller, press the PS button to turn it on, and now we're gonna press OK. And usually it should work right away. If you cannot access your PS5 after this message, what I suggest is that you're gonna turn it off by pressing the power button over here. Press it until you hear beep, turn it off, and then disconnect the power cable that is located in the back. Wait around 5 minutes and plug it back. Then power on your console and everything should work once again. If you're still experiencing issues, what I suggest is to turn off your console. Once your console is totally powered off, you're gonna keep press this power button until you hear 2 beeps. So let me demonstrate. I'm keeping... Oh. Then you'll be in safe mode. You need to connect your controller using the USB cable that you use to charge it. So plug one end in the front of your PS5 and the other end in your controller. Like that. And from here, press the PS button. Here you're gonna have multiple options. What I suggest is you go over here and select number 3. Repair console storage, because maybe when the power shut down for a few seconds, the storage got corrupted. So select repair console storage, and hopefully after doing this, usually it takes like 2 minutes, the console will power off, power on, and your problem will be gone. If you're still having issues, go back in this menu, do the same exact thing I just showed you, but instead of selecting number 3, select number 6, and then select rebuild database. This is another trick that in case your PS5 do not want to power on after a power outage or something happened, for example, by doing this, you can make it work once again. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.